so we're here with Sultan at Ultrace. Tell us about this car.
So it's a McLaren 650S designed by Kaiser.
Yeah.
And he designed everything, the body, the wheels. And we wanted to do it as a drift car.
Right.
Slash stance, something for fun. We can drive around.
So you guys made the whole kit?
The whole thing from scratch. Kaiser designed the whole thing and we engine swapped it with transmission. It's a 3-pedal car, 6-speed.
Wow. So what did you guys swap this with? Because I was like, what the hell?
Obviously, it's LS. LS swapped the world, is it? So is it LS twin turbo?
Twin turbo, yeah.
We're making 650 to the wheels on 5 psi. So
Wow.
rest somehow the ball. Yeah.
That's wild. So the base car right here is an MP412.
Yes, it was an MP412C. We did the 650 swap up front, and Kaiser designed the kit. So then we 3D printed it, made molds, and manufactured the whole thing from scratch.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
And even on the inside, because we had to do the shifter, we tried to keep as much OEM stuff as we can.
Yeah.
So the screen actually is where we start the engine,
Yeah.
and then the infotainment from the Mclaren and the AC on the door still works. So we have Link ECU to run the engine stuff,
Yeah.
and all the McLarens, for the battery control module and everything is still running on the front.
Wow, dude.
Still runs as a street car per se.
You drive this thing around in Dubai?
Not yet. We just finished it. We came to Ultrace and we'll see how it goes, to be honest.
Is it pretty illegal to drive something like this?
Yeah, it's pretty hard to drive. I mean, if it's not too loud. This one's kind of loud for Dubai, but
Can we pop the
yeah.
whatever you call this, the shell, the hood,
The
truck?
Hold it, because we're still running the hinges from the McLaren.
Oh, okay.
It's just a little tether.
We got like coolers and stuff over here.
So the oil cooler for the engine, and the other one's a gear cooler.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where are the turbos at?
It's all on the bottom.
So it's all hidden. We can't even see it.
Yeah, it's where the OEM stuff goes. So it was a V8 twin turbo.
Dude, this actually fits pretty nice. Like it should be like this.
Yeah. Can I show you how it starts? So basically, it's a touch screen, and it's a company back in Dubai. It's called Elite Dash. So it starts, touch it. It's connected to the PDM.
Wow, that's sick. Well, of all the swaps in the world, why the LS though?
I only do LS because I used to drift a lot. I used to compete. So everything I do is LS's. I'm not a JZ guy. I think it's a great engine, but I'm not used not used to it. I'd rather do without the lag.
Yeah.
And LS's are pretty nice. There's torque. It's not like a junkyard. It's a sleeved engine. It's like I didn't pick it out from a junkyard or put it in.
Yeah.
Fully built engine, manually internals, everything. So it's a great engine if you actually work with it, just like JZ's. Well, it's just preference.
Yeah.
It's small, compact. It's it does the job.
Is it common to find LS engines in Dubai?
Yeah.
Really?
Not like the States, but yeah, you find them in little trucks and stuff like that.
Oh, that's it. We're gonna let this warm up a bit, and then we'll just do a few flybys-ish. Yo. That's crazy loud. Oh, I got the rear lock.